I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID is signed in so purchases and downloads match your account. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is active. Use Wi-Fi for large downloads to save data. Now open the App Store from your home screen or pull down and use Search. That gets you directly to apps. You're ready to find apps, view categories, and proceed to the next steps where you choose and install with control. You search using precise names or broad keywords. Once you type, tap filters to narrow to iPad-compatible apps so you don't download phone-only versions. Next, tap an app card and open details to check compatibility, version notes, ratings, and privacy practices. This explains why the app behaves a certain way. Then tap Get or the Price button to install. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your password. After install, the app appears on home screen and in your library. You finish by managing and updating apps from your profile. Tap Profile and choose Update All or Update Apps individually to keep features and security current. Make sure to manage subscriptions under Profile Subscriptions so billing and renewals reflect what you want. If something goes wrong, app won't download or updates fail, sign out and back into your Apple ID, restart the iPad, and check Apple system status for outages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.